everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another daily food haul. I've not been in a few days, but I've finally been to Asda and I'm going to show you what I got. The first thing I picked up is this Pure mulled wine. I've got the green one, I can't remember what it's called, and I've got the berry one, and I've heard this is really good, so I just picked this up, but it was £2. Then for once they had a lot of Sephora in, but I don't like to buy a lot because there's people who will go in and buy 10 or 20 bottles and then no one can get it. So these are my two favourite Sephoras, Winter Morning and Twilight Garden. They also had the Very Berry and the Zesty Lemon in the bigger size, but I didn't pick it up because I thought I'd spent more than enough. But if it's there next time I go, I'll pick both up because I want them both. I picked up this Yankee Candle Home Inspiration Cherry and Vanilla Wax Melt. One of the Christmas presents I'm buying someone this year is a wax melter or a wax burn or whatever you want to call it, and I'm buying them various wax melts. A lot of them I'm buying off Etsy because I buy a lot of mine from Etsy, so I thought I'd get them this as well. This one was on offer for £2 instead of £3, that's why I picked that one basically. I got this accessory pack for wrapping, it's red and white, and I also picked this up and I wish I'd picked the second one up. Hopefully they'll have some when I go in next time, and hopefully I'll remember because I like ribbon. I actually bought this ribbon as well from another shop, and I really like the idea of putting like a fabric ribbon on. I got 2 of the 1.25 litre bottles of Diet Coke, they were on offer for £1. I got some Dentasticks for my dog, 2 small Diet Cokes, and the Christmas mugs were on offer for £1.25, so I picked this one up for me. I spotted this a couple of weeks ago and I really liked the look of it, and I thought, oh no, I've already got 1 or 2 Christmas mugs, I don't really need one, but because it was on offer for £1.25 I got it, and they are absolutely, like, they're massive, they're not small cups. And then I would have preferred this in red, but I got this grey jumper design one, which I think would look better in red. They had other ones, but these were definitely the best of the bunch. I got a Monster Energy drink, then I got the sellotape for wrapping, and then I picked up 4 cards. 2 are for me and 2 are for someone else. So these, the first 2 you're going to see are for my dad to give to his 2 brothers. A lot of the cards were either covered in glitter or was super sentimental, and my dad doesn't like sentimental, so I got him this. I like that it's very traditional with a stag on, and it's like got the tartan print as a red envelope, and it's not too sentimental inside. That was £1.50. I then picked him this up for his other brother. It's just a gold card with a stick on tree basically, and that isn't too sentimental. White, it's got a silver envelope. Then I picked this one up for my mum. I didn't want anything too sentimental because we're not close, so it's a dark blue card. It just says Merry Christmas Mum on it, and it just says with lots of love. Simple and just what I wanted. And my dad hates Christmas, so I got him this. Merry Christmas Dad, smile, it's Christmas Day, said. Exactly, Dad replied. I didn't look inside, but I think it's blank inside. Message inside reads, have a great Christmas. So that's everything I picked up in Asda today. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave it in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell notification button, then you'll get an alert every time I upload a similar video. I will hopefully be back tomorrow. If not, it'll be a day or 2, and I'll hopefully see you then. Thank you for watching, everyone.